Hello guys, welcome back to another video about XRP Ripple coin. Guys, this is the warning video for all of you. And this video I warn all of you to please be safe from loss. Anyways guys, before starting this video, I request everybody to please subscribe my channel for more news and updates videos about XRP Ripple coin. So guys, in the market, the currently live price changes occur in the XRP in the market. You can see here guys that the last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week changes occur in the XRP is completely going wrong. I mean the changes is negative, and if the changes is negative, it means that the price falls down, and if the price falls down, that means that you are in the loss guys. So guys, due to these negative changes, a lot of people are worrying about XRP Ripple coin, that what should we do at this time, what is a good decision for us. Is it a good time to sell? Is it a good time to hold? Is it a good time to buy? Guys, no one can understand it this time, but personally I recommend for all of you that please, I believe that if you invest for a long time, so you get a huge profit. But if you doesn't invest for a long time, so possibilities that at some time you lost your money, at some time maybe you get a profit. We can't say about the future. So guys, you should have to hold for a long time, I believe guys. Anyways guys, now 1.07 USD dollar, that is the currently live price of the XRP Ripple coin in the market. So guys, already know the price is very badly fast down. Personally, my target for XRP is 2 USD dollar, but the price very badly decrease. That's why I'm very worrying. Anyways guys, hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe channel and don't decide to sell. Be safe from loss.